I cannot take myself seriously. So I was watching my latest YouTube video over again from like, I don't know, 3 months ago. I just thought, wow, I feel like I changed so much. Hello? I have freaking like red hair now, so here's a little update on me. I have poops now. Fun. They got infected. Also fun. I have red hair. Also fun. It's only 8:30. I figured I'll do my makeup for the 3rd time today, okay? The first time I hated it. The second time it was only for pictures. 3rd time, it's gonna be a blast. Also, I feel like my personality has changed. Like, I'm just comfortable talking to absolutely no one. Yeah, so also I felt inspired to start doing videos again because this one girl was like, I really enjoyed your videos on YouTube, kind of had stopped, and I was like, ah! So I guess I'll do it again. If you all didn't enjoy it like that. I didn't think anybody really enjoyed it. I thought people were just supporting because they were my friends, and I really appreciated it, don't get me wrong, but I really wanted people who actually like enjoyed it to like tell me that they enjoyed it so I can know if I keep doing it or not, because I really felt my passion and not really passionate. I really felt the thing that I like to do.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
YouTube videos are incredibly fun to edit. I don't know why I stopped. Oh, I know. It took forever. Never mind, let's just get into the video. So, let's zoom you in, shall we? Hello. I think that's fine, honestly. I'm doing my eyebrows with the slit in it. So I think one side's gonna be dripping. You know what? You'll just see as we keep going. I have so much energy right now. This is something great to put my energy into. The next question is, will I edit, upload, and be consistent? Find out next time. Hello. Okay, if I'm gonna be honest with you, this eyebrow used to be my favorite when I didn't know what I was doing. Now this one is, and this one this eyebrow does not know what it's doing. I can't figure it out. I can't get it to look right. I cannot get them even. I cannot get this arch to not look like a freaking brick. I just can't. So I'm gonna use my, I have like all new like products and stuff that I use on my face now. Everything's like different. Like, I didn't know what I was doing, but I kind of knew what I was doing enough to like know what I was doing, but I really didn't know. I was like, I don't need to like watch videos on how to blend eyeshadows because I know how to do that. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so now I'm just sculpting out my brow. Time lapse, please, thanks. Gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I prime it now with the P. Louise base in Rumor in the shade, wait, what? I now prime with the P. Louise base. You cannot see that because my camera is still crap. In the shade 02. I put it on my eye like so. I'm using the James Charles palette because it has all of the colors that I need in it. My dog wants to leave, but he's not going to leave because I'm trapping him. Fine, you can leave. Okay, my toes are cold. Where are my sandals? Now how I blend things is I go from darkest to lightest. So that means that I will be starting off with, oh my god. If I stick my finger in a freaking color in this palette one more time, I'm going to make freaking lose it. Oh my god, it's all over me. I'm taking this dark shade right here. We're just patting it on. In this house, we do not just start that line on one person and just trying to blend it out, okay? We pack on the color. Get the highest pigment we can. Okay, now taking the other end of that same brush, kind of wiping it on my pants first, but you didn't see anything. Yeah, you didn't see anything.
Keep your mouth shut.
Now, going in with this color right here. And as well, just patting it on, building up the color. Now, taking another slightly smaller brush, which is basically the same thing, I'm going to take this yellow color. Not taking a lot of it, I'm just doing it to blend out the edges and stuff. I'm going to take it a little bit of this color. When I say I'm building the color, sis, I am building the color. We are not just throwing this color on and saying it's pigmented, sis. We build colors over here now. This is getting boring, so time-lapse time. Thanks, editing journey. You're the best. Okay, so now that I'm back, I cut the crease in literally like 2 seconds, and it's not very long. So I'm going to go back in with the lightest green shade. Hopefully I don't have to drop this. Freaking palette is humongous. I'm gonna go back in with the lightest green shade once again. And I'm just patting that right here in the middle. This looks so St. Patty's, but I swear it's not. I already told you what my plan was, so you should know it's not. Why do you still think that it is? I just said it wasn't! Man, listen to me, man. Oh my god. What a game. Okay, so I really like the white in the Rivera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It looks like this. I didn't use it obviously for this look because it doesn't have any colors I need. So I really like the white in this one, so I'm just gonna use that. You can use any white you want. This white I really get down and dirty with. I mean, not dirty, I just get down with. Now I get glitter. It's glitter time! This is Mermaid Tail from Glit Your Life. You get it? It's like Get Your Life, but glit it. Like you need some glitter in your life. Taking that small tapered blending brush, which is the Morphe M506 brush, I'll be taking black, patting that onto the outer corner, and I'm just bringing this black up right here into the crease to kind of darken it right here. We begin. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the liner, do the other eye, and I'll come back for my face makeup. I feel like a real YouTuber. Wow. Hello? I'm back. I did my other eye. Dog's feeding his toy. That's nice. It is. It really is. I'm telling you. I live for it. I live for things like this. Okay. So now I use Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I love this stuff. It literally matches me so well. I'm like a little in love with it. But don't tell her that. So you just have to like pour it out onto your hand. I do not like that about this. It gets so messy so freaking quick. Oh my goodness. And I'm a messy person, like ridiculously messy. Like hello. Next thing you know, I got foundation in my hair, in my eye, on my clothes, on the floor. Ask my mom. I'm telling you. This is all very true factuals. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. I love this brush. So I take it into my creamy concealer from NARS. It's like in a pot like this, right? So I just go like this. Get a little bit on the brush and just like pat it out underneath my eye and in spots that I would kind of like want to be corrected because it's pretty like orange undertone, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of orangey when you look at it, but it's still close to my skin tone, so I just use it like as a corrector. Sometimes if I want to do like soft makeup like that, I just only use this. Sometimes I do the Too Faced Born This Way on top of it. It really just depends on how I feel and if I want to feel caked up that day. Not that it like feels caked up, but I always feel like I'm getting caked up whenever I put it on because I'm like, ew, I just put a layer of concealer on. I have to do another one. I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer and just dot it under my eyes like that. Not using a whole lot. I don't like to go OD on my freaking forehead because I don't really know how to contour my forehead. I'm not gonna lie. Like if I think hard enough and I'm like, okay, shade goes here, light goes here, and shade here plus light here equals smaller forehead. Shade here and light here equals bigger forehead, wider forehead, smaller forehead. Whenever I start to like think about that, my brain immediately turns off and it's like, So every time I even try to think about it, like when I'm about to go to sleep, I'm like, let me think about useless stuff right now, but it's really not that useless. I think maybe that's why my brain kicks it out, because it's like, this isn't useless. This is actually useful and resourceful. Don't think about this right now. Okay, so now that my face is all done, well, not all done, but mostly done. Oh, I didn't contour my nose, but I don't really care. Now for the fun part, the slime. For the slime, I will be using the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Fanny Pack. It is black light activated. Too bad I don't have my black light yet. So this is water activated. So I'm going to take my Morphe setting spray and just spritz, you know what I mean? And now I'm going to take this brush right here, which is the BH Cosmetics 12 brush. It's just like a little liner brush like that. I know my camera does not have autofocus, so you cannot see anything. My heart is literally racing because I'm scared I'm gonna break this up. My butt is stuck to the chair.
What music is that I hear?
Alrighty then, that's the drip. I'm gonna do a little bit more up here, and we're gonna time lapse that. Thanks, editing journey. She really knows how to edit. It's so bright. I love it. And now we're gonna take a little bit of this. We're just gonna put it on my lower lashes right here, just coating them with it. Ta-da! Alright, and that's for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some lashes. I'm not going to do the same to my other eye. There's only one eye specifically that I want to do it to. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I threw on some lashes. These are the Billion Hair Lashes from Lash 7. I absolutely love Lash 7's lashes. They are so amazing. Like, I've only liked like 2 pairs of lashes like this. Like, I loved the lashes from the brand Wink Mink. They were my absolute favorite. I've worn them down so much. I felt so bad always doing looks with those lashes because I was like, I'm spamming this lady's page. Like, I need to chill, you know? But I literally love their lashes. I've been on the lash hunt looking for some more lashes that I love like that. And I found Lash 7. I absolutely love these lashes. They are like literally like the same kind of like fluffiness, but they just like fit on my like eyelid so perfectly. Like, these lashes I go crazy for, okay? I go crazy for these. I go stupid for these. So I absolutely love her lashes. You should really check both of those people out. Wink Mink has rebranded herself as another name. I totally forgot what it was, but I will leave it down in the description. Doesn't matter. I mean, I lose a lot of lashes, so I'm always trying to find new brands and stuff. I'm not very good at that stuff. Can you say I'm going to die taking this off? Alright, I'm done with that. That's scary. But this turned out so great. Oh my god, I forgot to do highlighter. I'm literally going to kill myself. Am I even a beauty guru? Don't judge. Ooh, I really like this one. The Juvia's Place highlighter is gorgeous. Oh. Let's use Juvia's Place highlighter. Oh, I made a mess, but what's new? Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I absolutely love this. It turned out exactly like how I wanted it to. It looks so freaking cool. Okay, journey! Sorry to be loud, Mom, but I did that. I already know she's getting mad at me right now.
Is that you yelling?
Yeah.
Like that.
Pipe it down. Oh, bring it up, then pipe that down. Just kidding, that's not what he says. Now that I'm starting to get in trouble for being too loud because it's like 10 o'clock here now, I have to start being quiet and I have to start piping down. Alrighty everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I talked a lot in it. I'm still talking a lot right now. What's up? If you would like to see more, you can head over to my Instagram where I am always on Instagram stories. Like literally I'm always doing stuff. Just interrupted me. You can shoot me a DM saying if you liked my videos or not. It is fine. You can always say I didn't like your video, you suck. I'd be like, bad, okay, deleting my channel. See, no biggie. Or you can also be like, I loved the video, it was amazing, it was my favorite video ever. And I'd be like, haha, nice, creating a new one. No biggie, I'm chill, I'll do whatever. Have I been out of focus this whole time? Oops, sorry. I think that's it. If you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, send to all your family, friends, neighbors, dogs, cats, aliens, whoever you want to send this to, please share it. It will mean the world to me. Really appreciate everybody watching this video. You really don't have to watch it if you don't want to, but you do anyways, and you made it to the end, so that's why I love you, and I give you lots of joy and kisses and blase blase blase. Peace.